Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows cake updated. Start by gathering gelatin, sugar, corn syrup, egg whites, cake base, and a mixer and pre-measure ingredients. Bloom gelatin in cold water while you heat sugar syrup to soft ball stage. Whip egg whites to soft peaks, stream in syrup, then fold in softened gelatin and chopped marshmallows. Chill until set, then assemble on cooled cake layers and frost as desired. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent texture and taste, and use a digital scale for accuracy. Soak gelatin in cold water while you warm sugar and corn syrup to build the syrup. Whip egg whites to soft peaks before slowly adding hot syrup for stability. Fold in chopped marshmallows to add chew and texture, then pour the mixture into a prepared 9-inch cake pan. Chill until firm, then trim edges before layering. Carefully level cake layers so the marshmallow layer sits even and stable. Spread a thin crumb coat, chill briefly, then apply a thicker frosting to avoid melting the marshmallows. Use an offset spatula and gentle pressure to prevent air pockets, and refrigerate between additions to maintain clean layers. For a glossy finish, warm the top frosting slightly before smoothing, and garnish with toasted marshmallows or chocolate shavings. Serve chilled for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.